Hey guys, it's Kylie. Welcome back to my channel. For today's look, I wanted to do something very simple but still very glam. It's very neutral tones and it's the kind of makeup that I feel very confident in. I'll probably be doing it for my birthday tomorrow. It's just very comfortable, but you still feel very cute. And if you aren't already subscribed, please make sure to do so. It really helps out my channel. And if you want to see how I got this look, keep watching. So first, I'm going in with the First Aid Beauty Triple Protection Skin Tint. Blending it out with my fingers first, just to kind of get it everywhere. And now I'm going in with a sponge. And I'm just covering up any discoloration with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. And I'm just setting that concealer in place with the Coty Airspun powder. Adding a little bit more depth into the skin with the Wet n Wild contouring palette in Dulce de Leche. And just bronzing up a little bit more with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. For blush, I'm using the Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush in Party. Popping that on my cheeks and then putting it a little bit across my nose, forehead and whatnot, just to even things out. Now I'm just hitting the high points of my face with the Essence Pure Nude Highlighter and Be My Highlight. Redefine my big freckle with the e.l.f. brow pencil. And redefining some of my smaller freckles with the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. I'm gonna take the e.l.f. Putty Eye Primer in the shade Rose to prime my lids. And now I'm taking Royal Jewels from the Kathleen Lights and Colourpop So Jaded palette and buffing that in my crease. Now I'm doing the same thing with the shade Rose Quartz. Now with the Tarte blush in Party that I used earlier, I'm going to buff that on my crease, or in my crease, and then on the outer corner of my lid. With this muted kind of pinky shimmer shade from the Wet n Wild Comfort Zone palette, I'm just going to take that on my finger and pack it all over the lid, focusing mostly on the inner half and the center of my lid. Now with Jasper from the So Jaded palette, I'm very lightly going to tap my brush into it and buff it mostly on the outer corner, maybe bringing it up a tiny bit into that outer area of the crease, just to deepen things up a little bit. Now with that same shade and a really skinny kind of paintbrush, I am going to line my eyes with it and give myself a little baby wing. Going back in with that blush and buffing that all over my lower lash line. Going back in with Jasper, very lightly gonna kind of buff that on the outer portion of the lower lash line, just kind of to connect it with the eyeshadow on top. Taking that kind of shimmery pinkish shade from the Wet n Wild Comfort Zone palette again, I am going to run that on the inner half of my lower lash line. Taking Diamond on my finger and packing it on the kind of inner half of my lid area, just for some sparkle. And then I'll put that on the lower portion where I put that Wet n Wild shade too. I am popping Pearl on my inner corner, just to brighten things up a little bit more. And I'm highlighting my brow bone with my Precious. Now I'm just curling my lashes and giving them a generous coating of the L'Oreal Bambi mascara. Lining my lips with the Essence Soft Contouring Lip Liner in Lost in Love. For lipstick, I'm using MAC's To the Future. And just topping that off with a little bit of the MAC Cream Sheen Glass in Double Happiness. And that's the finished look. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on Friday.